Traders, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you. We're diving into a highly accurate and profitable trading strategy that's been turning heads in the trading community. This strategy shines brightest on shorter time frames, making it perfect for day traders and anyone looking for quick, smart trades. This is not just any strategy, folks. It's a powerhouse blend of trendline breakouts, volume filters, and trend background indicators, meticulously designed to pinpoint lucrative trading opportunities. What's more, it packs in an exponential moving average filter to confirm trends and an intelligent stop-loss and take-profit system based on the average true range indicator. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? And don't worry if some of these terms sound complex. We'll be breaking it all down in simple, easy-to-understand language. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with a fantastic tool to enhance your trading arsenal that will boost your profitability. So, are you ready to revolutionize your trading journey? Let's dive in. We're currently on Bitcoin's price chart on a 1-minute time frame. Let's navigate to the indicators to add the first tool to the chart, the Trend Lines with Breaks indicator created by LuxAlgo. The Trend Lines with Breaks operates based on the principles of support and resistance, which are critical concepts in technical analysis. Here's a breakdown of how it works. The indicator first determines pivotal highs and lows in the price chart, which are the extremes within a defined length of bars. These points serve as the starting and ending points for the trend lines. Using the identified pivotal points, the indicator constructs trend lines that represent areas of support and resistance in the market. An upward trend line is drawn by connecting the pivotal lows, representing an area of support. Similarly, a downward trend line is drawn by connecting the pivotal highs, representing an area of resistance. The slope of the trend lines is calculated based on the trader's selected method, which could be average true range, standard deviation, or linear regression. The slope reflects the angle and direction of the trend. The key feature of this indicator is its ability to detect breakouts. A breakout occurs when the price crosses a trend line, indicating a potential reversal in the trend. The indicator signals a bullish breakout when the price crosses above the downward trend line, and a bearish breakout when the price crosses below the upward trend line. The indicator also offers the option to only show confirmed breakouts, which can help filter out false breakout signals. The slope affects the accuracy and quantity of signals. We will change this number to 4.2. Hide the lines. The Trend Lines with Breaks indicator will be used primarily for confirmation of buy and sell signals. However, just like any other technical indicator, it cannot be used alone. So the next indicator we will need to add to the chart is the Trend Background by Blue Capital Trading. This is a very useful, easy-to-read indicator that gives us a general view of the market's trend. When the bulls take control of the market, the indicator's background changes to green. A red background represents sellers' dominance in the market. The indicator is super versatile and offers plenty of customization options. It includes multiple trend filters that determine the overall trend. It has MA, SMA slope, and Arun trend filters. For better results, we will customize the parameters as follows. First, we will change the MA type from SMA to Hull MA. The MA trend filter period will be set to 100. The next step is to disable the SMA slope filter and enable the Arun trend filter. Change the periods to 9 and 5. Then go to Style and change the moving average color to white. The trend background indicator will be used to double confirm the breakouts spotted by the Trend Lines with Breaks indicator. If a bullish breakout appears on a green background, it often indicates stronger momentum, which results in the price moving up. A price position relative to the Hull moving average is also critical. When going long, we need to ensure the candlestick is closed above the moving average. There's still one more tool that needs to be implemented into our strategy. This indicator is called Heatmap Volume by XD-Cow. The Heatmap Volume indicator is a unique technical analysis tool that's designed to highlight areas of notable trading activity on a price chart. Unlike conventional volume bars that simply display the total quantity of shares traded, the Heatmap Volume indicator provides additional visual cues to help traders identify periods of significantly high or medium trading volume. The indicator uses complex calculations to color code the volume bars on the chart. This heat map visually emphasizes periods when trading volume exceeds the average by a certain number of standard deviations, which are user-defined thresholds. It is in our best interest to buy or sell the stock when there is a high trading activity going on. Market participants are more likely to buy or sell securities when the activity is high. The activity moves the price quicker and the range increases. When the volume is low, the market stagnates. When the volume is extra high, the market behaves unpredictable. We should avoid trading at these times. We will adjust the indicator's settings in the following manner. In the inputs, change the high volume threshold to 1.5, as well as the medium threshold to -1. The volume MA length will be changed to 800. So, what are the strategy's entry rules? Let's begin with long trades. When looking to buy, make sure the following rules are in place. A. There is a bullish price breakout. B. The trend background is green. C. The closing price is higher than the moving average. D. The heat map volume is either orange or yellow, in other words, high or medium. When the conditions are met, open a long trade at the close of the price bar with a target of around 2 times the risk. For a short trade, apply the following rules. First, make sure there is a bearish price breakout. Second, the trend background must be red. Third, the closing price is below the moving average. Fourth, the heat map volume is either orange or medium. We coded this trading strategy using Pionex GPT, the first AI bot that can automate any trading strategy within seconds. We took the script and pasted it into Pine Editor. In the 1-minute time frame, the strategy produced 33 signals with a win ratio of over 63%. The total profit made in one day is around 26%. That's around 700% profit per month. However, keep in mind that the numbers will be lower because of spreads and fees. As mentioned earlier, the strategy is highly customizable. You can tweak the parameters and find the best settings for each time frame. We shared the strategy to our TradingView profile. The script is private, but you can access it by clicking the link in the description and adding it to your favorites. You can trade manually, but a better option would be to automate the script with Pionex. This way, you will get a fully automated trading bot that can make you hundreds of dollars in passive income. The bot will execute trades on your behalf without much effort from your side. All you have to do is set your desired parameters and watch the profits come in. The setup is very simple. First, register on Pionex.com and navigate to the Trade menu. Scroll all the way down and click on Create a Signal Bot. Then click on Add a TradingView signal. Write the signal name and description if necessary. In the last step, you will find a webhook URL and the message. Copy the webhook URL. Return back to TradingView and open the strategy's alerts. Go to Notifications and enable the webhook URL. Paste the link you copied into the field below. Then copy the message and paste it into this field. Create an alert. Finish the setup on Pionex by selecting the trading instrument, leverage, and initial investment. Great! Now you have a fully customizable and profitable trading robot. Register on Pionex via the link in the description and get a 100 USDT future bonus airdrop. By the way, on the Pionex GPT marketplace, you can find many highly accurate trading bots that make substantial returns on investment month after month. Take action today and start making money while you sleep.